Hello everyone, hope you all are having a great day. Today we are going to learn about J.H. Allen's view on predisposition. Introduction. J.H. Allen considered predisposition as an inherited or acquired tendency that lowers the resistance of individual to disease. According to him, predisposition often arises from latent miasms, especially SORA, and plays a key role in development of chronic diseases. Definition of predisposition. Predisposition is that internal condition or susceptibility which invites or makes the individual liable to disease. It is not the disease itself, but the ground or soil that allows the disease to develop. Types of predisposition as per Allen. First, inherited or hereditary predisposition, transmitted through miasmatic inheritance, especially latent sora. The sins of fathers are often visited upon the children in the form of psoric predisposition. Okay, so this is an important point. Quoted point. Okay. Second, acquired predisposition through drug suppression, unhygienic living, toxic exposure, prolonged stress. Drug suppression and over medication fasten the miasmatic taint deeper and create new predispositions. Third, relationship between miasms and predisposition. Allen closely associates predisposition with miasmatic dyscrasias, especially SORA. SORA is the basis of all disease predisposition. SORA weakens the vital force. It creates soil on which other miasms take deeper root. Role of predisposition in pathogenesis. Predisposition modifies the disease expression. Without predisposition, exposure alone does not lead to the disease. Okay, the germ may be present, but without the soil to grow, it dies barren. This is a very important point. It will fetch you more marks. You can quote it. Clinical relevance. Homeopathic physician must trace the root predisposition, not just remove symptoms. Allen emphasized constitutional prescribing to remove miasmatic predispositions. Until we change the miasmatic constitution, predisposition will ever bring back disease in new forms. Important point. You can quote it and it will fetch you more marks. Okay, so we are done with the topic. Thank you. Have a great day. Keep supporting.